welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a full length review of a nifty little pack that is actually marketed as a handlebar bag. So they call it the Stash, and it is made by a company called Rahgear. So here you can see I have mounted it on the handlebar, and if you have been following me on Instagram, you would have seen that I have mounted it on the rear seat of my aerox, as well as on the grab rail of the Ninja and on this strap of the Ninja. You can also mount it as a waist pack, you can carry it as a belt bag, and you can also use it as a sling bag. So now that you know how you can use it, let me get into the finer details of this beautiful pack. So for convenience of the review, I have mounted this on the rear seat of the Ninja. So let's just open it up and see what all it's got inside. So just put in a pair of basic semi-gauntlet gloves. It's got a Insta360, it's got a battery pack, it's got a GoPro. It also can carry a few mounts and a tripod as well inside. So apart from that, what I wanted to tell you is there is a small zipper where you can keep some valuables like some cash or some documents, like whatever you want to. And then you also have some elastic hooks here, which can be used to tag in any kind of stuff which you want to keep like standing. The best part about this bag is you can use this as a key fob and as a keychain, as a key ring. So once you're done with your ride, just remove your key and click it onto the backpack. It's made out of very good material. The inner has got this stiff liner, which actually helps in making this a nice neat compartment for holding your sunglasses as well. And if you see, I can even place a half-liter water bottle right now here, and it'll sit inside it very comfortably without any problem. That's that. Let me just close it. Even the zippers are made up of very good quality. The novelty about this bag is, as you can see, you get reflective strips on either sides. So these strips help in giving you added visibility when you're out on the road. If I mounted it this way on the rear seat, the reflective strips are facing the back, and the rear, anyone coming from the back can actually see your bike more clearly. Similarly, the same way it is mounted on the handlebar, and it provides better sideways visibility and all that stuff. So that is an intelligent move. These velcro strips are used to mount the bag. Just removing it out for now. You also get a small through and through hole here, and you can pass your belt through this, and that basically helps in mounting this as a waist pack. But if you don't want to use the belt for mounting this onto your waist, you can anytime use these straps and you can mount it as a waist pack. These straps also clip in, and that helps in making it also a very good sling bag, or you can use it as a seat bag also. That is how I use these straps to mount the bag on the seat of my aerox. So it was mounted on the rear seat of the aerox, and it stayed pretty stable even at speeds of around 100-150 without any issues. Now coming to some smaller but significant bits, I had put a full length selfie stick in this, and I had mounted it this way on the rear seat of my aerox, and the selfie stick never slipped out. So that is one novel feature which I did Indian jugaad. To keep this panel closed, what they have done is they have given magnets on two places on both sides. So totally 8 magnets are there, and that prevents this flap from flapping around, and it stays put. So that is an intelligent touch as well. Apart from this, Rahgear claims that this is a water resistant bag, and you also get a water resistant carry case which you have to fold and then clip on, and you can carry it as a carry bag. So that is another nifty little feature. Another thing that I have seen is these hooking points, where you can use a carbiner to hook this bag to anything. You can also use this as bungee points for your luggage. Like if you know that this thing is strapped to your seat and is secure, you can pass in your bungee points to this, bungee cords to this. You can use this as a bungee point for your other luggage as well. So that is how I have found out a few things about the bag. The quality of everything is pretty good, and I've used it for around 200-250 kilometers, and at high speeds, low speeds, off road, on road, and I have not faced any problem with this. In fact, all of my gear, all of my stuff that I used to carry in my tank bag, which I couldn't carry on the aerox, I've been putting in this, and most of my stuff fits, because apart from a majority of mounts and a few recorders, I don't need to carry anything much when I'm going out on the aerox. It has replaced the requirement of a tank bag for me for now actually. And since the aerox, you don't have a proper place to keep your tank bag, this works as a very good alternative for that. I've also been able to mount it on the rear grab rail, and that has been very comfortable. As a motorcycling pack, as a bicycle pack, and as a sling bag, this does a very good job of keeping your things safe and secure. So that is one beautiful thing about this backpack, or stash that they call. I hope you like this review, and there will be many more new products that are coming in, and I'll be reviewing them pretty soon. So this is one of the few products that I actually enjoyed using and reviewing. Stay put onto my channel and stay subscribed. If you like my content, do like my videos, press the like button. These are some beautiful AXOR gloves, and if you have been on my Instagram, you would know that I have a giveaway that is coming up. So there is a beautiful AXOR helmet and a pair of gloves that are up for grabs, and that I'll be announcing at 2000 subscribers. Right now I'm at 1750 subscribers. Stay tuned to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and also please participate in the giveaway. You have a chance to win some beautiful AXOR gloves and a beautiful AXOR helmet. Until next time, ride hard, ride safe, always wear a mask, always wear a helmet. See you. Bye bye.